Now for a 2014 Dodge Ram ProMaster work van. Diesel. It's a little 3-cylinder Cummins. I think it's a Detroit. I don't know what it is. But you guys should leave a comment down below what engine this is. Let's see how she fires up. Stick was locked. There we go. This is quite cool with the transmission. It's pretty cool. Alright. On the brake. Oh. Is it dead or the starter's done? Okay, hang on a second. This thing is not dead. Okay, hang on a second. I'm gonna wait until the whole beeping stops. Nope, I sure think it's the starter. Glove light's flashing. Hang on. If you guys can see this. Crap. Wipers do work though. Okay, hang on a second. Fuel pump's not done, is it? Okay, hang on a second. This van's got problems. Is it like really the starter, or it's really the battery? That is quite weird, dude. Okay, on the brake he says. No, starter done. Starter's done, dude. Yeah, so these engines are reliable, but I did not burn up the starter. I think so because we drove this to Costco and it like broke down, and we thought it was the starter, so we thought it was dead, but it wasn't dead. The freaking gosh darn starter went out. Okay, listen. I'm not gonna say anything, listen. On the brake. Yep, it is most likely the starter. Oh well. That sucks. Well, see you guys next time.